If you know you are from north, let us concentrate in first thing first. Let those people leave. Let them leave. I repeat, let them go. Whether it was a deal with the president, whether it wasn't a deal, first thing first. Secure our land, let them go. Let them go. I'm hearing them asking, what if we find northerners? What if? Which means they are not even there. Can you people allow northerners even to buy land in your area? Can you? Customary land is not for sale. The Acholi is, let us first consider first thing first, secure our land first. Rubbish. That is disrespect of the highest order. You are renting the land. Why must you go and carry the herds of cattle to bring and start keeping them in Acholi land? No. First thing first, let them leave the place. Let them go. That's how they came and fooled the Baganda. They came and got when Baganda, they had a lot of land here. And they started fooling Baganda. These people, they came and found when Baganda, they have a lot of land. Nebagenda ku drawing board nebatula nebagamba bano tubakolere ki bunedda tubakirize buli omatu ndetaka ye mubeja yagala Abaganda jukira they had land, they were businessmen, but they didn't have capital even to finance some of their businesses. Nebatula wansi ku drawing board meeting yatula nebagamba bwana abasajja tubakirize batunde etaka mu beje bayagala. Abaganda nebatandika okutunda mataka, thinking they are getting anything. The Buganda land which is in Kampala is only Kabakazi farm, Wari side ya Cheyambogo. Only Bagandas are now in Greater Luwera and Masaka. We shall not allow. Why must you carry your herds of cattle? But when did this thing start? First thing first. First thing first. Let them go. Whether it was a deal or not deal, the way Lumbuya is saying, whether it was a deal, we want first thing first. Secure our land first. Odongo to. People fight. Let them leave. Or even those who have sold them, they should leave. Those who have bought land there, they should all leave even. That the Law Simanya Article 29 allows you to stay anywhere. Does the Article 29 allow you to buy customary land? First thing first, let them leave the land.